Excuse me, Gavin. I overheard you talk about the customer. Of course. It's important for us to recognize that our customers are changing. You've only got to look at the massive rise in the use of mobile and internet technologies over the past few years. Everybody seems glued to their mobile phones these days. Look, this was a photo in 1995 when Pope John Paul II visited the Philippines. And this was a photo from last year when Pope Francis visited the Philippines. Can you spot the difference? Our customers are living in an ever-connected world. Did you realize that cell phone penetration in our franchise area is more than 100%? That's because many people have more than one phone. Social media is everywhere. 59% of our customers have a Facebook account. We are already using Facebook and Twitter in communicating with our customers. Plus our Miracle Advisory on YouTube and TV. But we plan to take this even further by implementing social listening and integrating into our systems so we can quickly respond to customers' comments and concerns, even push out information to specific customers. Isn't that going to be cool? But when it comes to their electricity bill, they still have to wait for this to come through their letterbox. A bill. Well, all that will change. Last year at Mtech, I described our vision to open digital channels with our customers. This year, I can announce that it's becoming a reality. We're working on building a new customer-facing platform called CXE, or Sexy, as part of our Customer Experience Transformation Program, or CXTP. We will implement a state-of-the-art cloud-based customer relationship management system that will enable us to get to know our customers better. But that's not all. We've identified 4 journeys that we want to digitally enable, allowing customers to interact with us via web, customer portal, or a new version of our Meralco mobile application called Move. No more queuing in our business centers or calling our call centers when they want to do simple transactions. The first journey is what I call iJoin and covers the service application process. Customers will be able to start the application online and will be able to track the progress through the web or mobile application. They will be informed at key stages of the process via email, SMS, or push message to their mobile. They will even be able to upload documents instead of having to bring them to the branch. For those customers without internet, access kiosks will be provided in our business centers. The second journey is iPay. Nobody likes to receive the electricity bill, but we can make that process of paying much easier. Instead of waiting for your paper bill to arrive, customers will receive an email from us providing the key details together with a link to view the actual bill. To help save the environment, we will encourage customers to eventually opt out of receiving a paper bill altogether. Have you ever forgotten to pay your bill? Well, we will remind you via SMS, email, or push message as you reach the payment due date. There are already many convenient ways to pay, but we will take this to the next level, offering online payments directly to our website or application. Even for those that don't have a credit card or a bank account, through their prepaid card services like PayMaya. The third journey is I Ask. This is when customers have a question, complaint, or suggestion they want to give Meralco. They will be able to access a knowledge base online to provide the answer or chat directly to one of our live agents. If it isn't urgent, they may choose to raise a query directly from our website or the Move app and track the status of their concern. The fourth and final journey is called I Need Repair. And this covers unfortunate events or incidences that occurs when an outage happens. A combination of our new Advanced Distribution Management System, or ADMS, and our new customer platform will allow us to inform customers if there's an outage instead of them having to contact us. We can send an SMS, an email, or a push message giving details on the expected restoration time and even details of the crew that will attend to the incident. If customers notice a dangerous situation, they can inform us electronically and we can take action before the problem occurs. All this information will be brought together in an outage map that will
Just a minor problem. This year, we will launch our new ADMS, or Advanced Distribution Management System, for just these types of events. ADMS is part of our Digital Grid Operations Program. It contains two key elements, outage management and distribution management. Through the outage management, or OMS functionality, we will be able to quickly and accurately record details of the outages and dispatch the right crew to deal with the issue. We can also inform the customers to the digital channels that my friend Al just mentioned. The DMS is where it gets really clever. The system is able to do thousands of complicated calculations in a few milliseconds to work out the possible switching patterns that will minimize the impact of the outage to our customers. It will offer the operator different routes that the power can be sent, and then automatically implementing the switching plans through the SCADA system. This is one of the most advanced technologies anywhere in the world being implemented here in the Philippines. We expect to have this feature up and running by mid-2017. ADMS is just part of the technology innovations we are implementing here in networks and in Meralco. We are making our grid smarter and smarter through ANA, or Advanced Network Automation. We're currently operating 3 commissioned smart substations, Pagcor, Valencia, and Masinag, while there are 13 planned smart substations from 2016 to 2021. We are also testing technology to install sensors in key equipment like distribution transformers, connected through the industrial Internet of Things. This will allow us to see exactly what's happening on the network and diagnose a fault as soon as it occurs. We can also be more proactive with our maintenance spotting equipment that's at risk of being overloaded or is not performing as expected before it breaks down. We want to try out new grid technologies such as microgrids with integrated batteries. This is where we can isolate a section of our grid that may be prone to outages into an entirely self-sufficient mini network using embedded generation such as solar or biofuel and battery storage. Another key focus is digital asset management. Last year, we implemented Maximo EAM to handle all of our network's assets. EAM is now in every sector, and this year, we are looking to optimize and enhance the system to drive more and more efficiency. One key technology focus of networks this year is mobility. The existing paper-based systems will be replaced with tablets. Crews will be able to see details of the job, complete safety checklists, record details of equipment and materials used, and even find the quickest way to navigate through the traffic. Underlying all of this is our smart grid. We have regulatory approval to install a further 100,000 smart meters this year, and will be expanding our RF communications technology to reach new areas. Over the next 5 years, we hope to rapidly ramp up the number of smart meters installed.
That's right, partner Ronnie. That's why AMI around the world is being installed more and more.
We must do the same here in the Philippines to ensure we keep up with the technology and can offer our customers new products and services.
Agree.
I have an emergency. Alis muna ako, bahala ka na dyan.
Sige pare. See you later. Our prepay or K-load service rides off the AMI infrastructure. This year, we will continue to roll out. Plus, look at ways to improve the service and extend it to other segments such as landlords. Remember, the customer platform I was discussing earlier? Soon, we will enable customers to top up their prepay online and even directly debit from their bank account when their credit runs low. This will make sure the service is attractive to a whole new sector of the market. And we won't forget our postpaid customers. When they have smart meters, we'll be able to offer consumption data down to the hour. So they can log on to the portal or app and see exactly how they use electricity hour by hour over the last month. We will even enable them to set alerts and notify them when their daily consumption reaches a certain amount. The smart grid will also allow us to offer demand response services. We're currently undertaking a study into this technology. When power becomes expensive or in short supply, demand response will allow us to remotely switch off parts of the participating customer's load instead of bringing in expensive generation. Customers are compensated, so it's a win-win. We need to work on the technology and with our regulators to see how this can be implemented. I've got to go as well, Gavin. I'll catch you later.